Welcome back to my channel. My name is Viju Balakrishnan, and I'm a property consultant here in Dubai. And I'm also a resident of UAE from 2006. And before I got into my real estate and business formation company, I was working here with various multinational brands. All right, so friends, today I'm very excited and I'm bringing something which is very valuable for your investments from Ellington developer. So at last, finally, Ellington is launching something in a very affordable price point of just from 1.15 million to 1.3 million, starting for a one bedroom, and in a very promising and futuristic location, which is our own Dubai South, which is just next to the upcoming world's largest international airport with over 400 parking beds. So this project is called Windsor House, and this is a low-rise building. As we all know, this is something which is next to the airport. But again, this doesn't come on the belt of the runway, airport runway. This comes just parallel to the runway. So you don't have the problem of the sound, the noise problem, or the noise pollution. So yes, this project is called Windsor House from Ellington Properties, an exclusive and very boutique developer who prioritize on finishes. And in turn, their products are really doing well in the market. Especially, we know how JBC has changed. JBC has changed because of Ellington's Belgravia project. And then they later released series of Belgravia. So this is also going to be the same, I think, in future in Dubai South, because first time they are coming up in Dubai South, and this will definitely change the ecosystem. Because in Dubai South, apart from Emaar South, Emaar and Dubai South, and some 2-3 developers, there's no any real good projects in Dubai South from a very good developer who focuses on finishes. All right, so now let's understand the location of this beautiful project which is coming up from Ellington. So now this is the 145 square kilometers of land parcel, which is called as Dubai South. And this has got 7 districts. So you have the middle, you have the Al Maktoum International Airport, and surrounded by Al Maktoum International Airport, you have 7 districts, which is the commercial district, golf district, then you have the business park, logistics district, aviation district, Expo City, and the residential district. So this is the most prime location of the entire master community, which is called the Expo City, where the Expo 2021 held. And now you have towards the south of Expo City, you have the residential district. And the whole master plan is sandwiched between the 2 major road network, which is called the E311 Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road and the E611, which is the Emirates Road. And from here, you're hardly max to max 10 to 30 minutes drive from all the major attractions of Dubai. So say, for example, your Dubai Marina is over here, which is hardly max to max 15 minutes drive on a Sunday afternoon. And your Palm Jebel Ali is over here, Palm Jumeirah is over here, Burj Al Arab, and your E11, which is called the Sheikh Zayed Road, is passing through here. And then towards this side, you have the Dubai downtown. So even from Dubai downtown, is hardly max to max 30 minutes drive from this location. And you have the Global Village over here. All the major attractions are hardly 30 minutes drive. And to your existing international airport, which is the DXB International Airport, is hardly 35 to 40 minutes drive. So yes, this is the land bank you need to understand. This is going to be the next happening place or the next economic backbone of Dubai. And as we all know that Dubai is moving towards the south. So this side is towards the north and this side is towards the south. And as we know, Dubai South falls in border between Abu Dhabi and Dubai. So this is where exactly. And one more thing what you need to understand. Some may ask that the noise pollution. So as you can clearly see, this project is coming parallel to the runway. It doesn't come on the bed of the runway. So this is faced towards east direction. So you will not face any problem because of the aviation noise. So yes, and also one more important thing is that this is already connected with the existing metro line, which is the red metro line, and in future it will be also connected via blue metro line, which passes through the Dubai Creek Harbor and with the various upcoming business hubs and residential districts to the residential district of the Dubai South. So this is the prime location which you need to bet on. Here the price per square feet is very less compared to the other locations, the other prime locations of Dubai, because it's still in the development stage. So here, as we all know that the first project was launched in 2016. Here you have the Imar South. In Imar South, the project name was called Urbana in 2016. And then in 2024, we saw the highest launches in residential sector in Dubai South. In 2024, saw almost like 15 to 16 projects were launched in 2024 alone in this part of Dubai. All right. So, friends, another important district which I need to talk about or highlight about is the Expo district, or which is commonly called it as an Expo City. So, this district is towards the north side of the location, and this is also on an expansion mode. So, this district is commonly known it as for its legacy of hosting Expo 2020 in 2021 because of the COVID. It was supposed to happen in 2020, but it happened in 2021. And this location has attracted millions of individuals from across the globe in the 6 months of, of conducting the Expo 2020. And this has helped to understand what Dubai is all about for the global investors. And we have seen a Dubai real estate surge, especially after the Expo 2020. Another reason for Dubai's real estate growth is because of the Expo 2020, which was happened in 2021. And it is also going to be the world's largest indoor event center. The World Trade Center, the existing World Trade Center, which is on the Sheikh Zayed Road near to Dubai North, is going to get transferred to the Dubai Exhibition District. And this exhibition, this World Trade Center, is going to be the Middle East's largest World Trade Center. So imagine you are also owning something next to a World Trade Center where 365 days the events, the trade events are happening. So you have immense potential for your property to rent it out on Airbnb for short-term rental as well. So this is another important factor which you need to keep in mind for buying this property. All right, so friends, now let's understand where exactly the location of this beautiful project is coming. I will say that this project is coming in a very futuristic location of Dubai. So don't underestimate Dubai South by assuming that Dubai South, it takes more than 5 to 6 years or more than 10 years to appreciate. Believe it me, as a long-term resident who has been in the market from 2006, Dubai is not something your typical market where it takes long years for the infrastructure to happen and things to set up. This is not India. This is Dubai. This is UAE. Okay. Dubai completely depends on the progress and on the infrastructure development. Infrastructure is the key economy of Dubai. So the more the infrastructure happens, developments happens, the more the government invest on infrastructure, the more the growth will come. So this is how the your two towers looks like, Tower A and Tower B. So both consist of only around up to maximum 10 to 11 floors. And the beauty of this project is it consists of only below 500 units. So if you're a wise investor, this is what you need to understand. So the more number of units you have on the project, the less the demand is going to happen. So that's the common formula. The lesser the density, the more the value. I'm seeing a lot of developers launching projects with more than 2,500 units in two towers. It takes 2 decades, 3 decades for that unit value to appreciate. we have to wait till 2050, or we are supposed to, or the markets should be like Hong Kong, so that the lesser the units, the more the value is going to drive. And yeah, so now let's understand where the location of this beautiful project is on the Google map. All right, so friends, so this is where exactly the new project is going to come up. And as you can see, these are the townhouses, and these are the townhouses by Dubai South developer, which is called the South Bay, which was which was all sold off, and some are there in the resale market. And as you remember that in 2024 they launched South Bay 6, and which was sold off in within max to max 3 to 4 hours. So yes, this location has got that much of demand. And here you have the Pulse beachfront, which is also started handing over. So yes, most of the projects, most of the townhouses are started handing over here. And yes, this drives the value of your investments in the future. So this is not an isolated area. And we also have the Mac 5 Boulevard, which is also one of my favorite developer. And then comes the Expo Valley over here, Expo Valley villas and twin villas. This is more expensive villas of the entire master community. So yes, so when we zoom out, you can see exactly the three main road networks, which is E611, the Emirates Road, E311, and the Sheikh Zayed Road, E11, which all connects through this road, which is called the Expo Road. And you have three intersections. So road connectivity is not at all an issue. And here you have Imar South. So Imar South is more towards the south of Dubai. And you have Dubai Industrial City over here, Dubai Investment Park, which is one of the biggest investment park, which was established in 2006. All the apartments are trading or renting it about 9 to 10%, which is this area is got some of the best rental yields. And yes, but all are low quality, low standard projects. So something which is, if something is coming from a boutique developer near to this location, that's going to drive the value of your investments. So as I mentioned in the beginning, most of your inquiry or most of your queries are going to come from the CEOs, CFOs, and the top C-suite level people who are working in this location. So yes, location-wise, absolutely no-brainer. This is a next future location of Dubai, and it doesn't take decades for this location to appreciate because Dubai has no land left. So as I mentioned, most of the projects here are starting handed over. And as we remember the story of Pulse Beachfront, which was sold at around 1.1 million, is now selling at nothing less than 2.5 million dirhams. So these are the areas which are given most high capital appreciation. All right, so friends, I'll quickly take you through the renders of this presentation. So this will give you an idea about how the end product is going to look like, and what are the amenities and the building configuration and etc. So this is how the end product looks like. And as you can see, you have the retail spaces below. You have 10 retail outlets down in the building. And then on the top floor, on the first floor, you have the amenities deck. So it's a massive amenities deck. And then, you look at the finishings. This is awesome. This is beautiful. This is what we consultants love about Ellingtons. We are so confident that Ellingtons delivers the best products in the market. As you can, if you go to JVC or Business Bay, if you go and watch their finished products, you will get convinced. Their finishings are awesome, and people who buy, they repeatedly buy Ellington projects only. So if you're an investor who's looking, if you're a first-time investor, if you're looking to build your portfolio here in Dubai, I will say that don't miss this opportunity. This is an awesome product. You will never regret by investing in this project. So yes, building configuration, you have two towers. Both the towers have two passengers elevators and one service elevators. And then you'll get one parking space for studio, 1 and 2 bedroom, and two parking space for 3 bedroom. And then it's a freehold property, no doubt about it. And then anticipated service charge is only 17 dirhams per square feet. And the handover is in Q3 of 2028, just 2 years before the completion of the world's largest international airport. And you have 10 residential floors, and then you have two basements in this project. So another render explaining how it looks at night, how beautiful it is. So yes, the unit types and sizes. So you have total 202 units in Tower A and 202 units in Tower B. So that's like almost 424 units in total. And then you have only 20 studios, and then maximum number of one bedroom and two bedroom units. And then you have in two bedroom, you have two bedroom plus studio option as well. All right, so this is how your retail areas looks like at night, and this is how the lobby reception look like, and this is how the lobby lounge look like. So yes, so what are the amenities you have on the ground floor? You have a lobby, a massive lobby entrance, you have a lobby reception, you have lobby lounge areas, you have lift lobby, you have parking for people of determination, and then you have EV parking, and then you have access to lower level parking, you have bicycle parking as well, and then you have independent car wash, you have pet play and wash area, as you have visitors parking as well. And this is how your pool deck looks like, this is how your club lounge looks like, and this is how the games area look like. You have a massive fitness studio, you have pilot studio as well, and this is your lawn area full of greenery. And most of the two bedroom plus study will have this beautiful view of this lawn area. And you have the outdoor seating, you have a yoga center, then you have a lounge, outdoor lounge. Okay, so what are the amenities you have on the first floor? So of course you have the adult pool, you have pool sitting lounge, you have cabanas, you have outdoor shower, you have shaded kids pool, you have outdoor yoga area, you have yoga platform, you have pilot studio, outdoor pilot studio, you have outdoor fitness studio, you have kids club, you have dining and pantry area, you have a games table zone, you have club zone, almost like 24 amenities they have given you for you to experience the luxury of this product. So here, as you can see, you have everything, whatever they have mentioned. And this is how the living and dining area looks like, and the kitchen, and you have the bedroom from floor to ceiling windows for the maximum sunlight. And then you have the beautiful bathrooms. So when it comes to the floor plans, they are beautifully designed, and it's like all standard floor plans. So studio, you have a beautiful studio where the price, where the total size is just 431, and the one bedroom type A that's started around 780 square feet. You have a powder room here. It's a beautiful, floor plan, and you have a balcony as well. So most of the one bedrooms comes outside, as you can see, outside facing. So two bedroom type A. So most of the two bedroom comes inside, which faces the beautiful amenities of the project, where the starting size is 1,131, and then you have type B two bedrooms as well, where most of them are the corner units, and then you have two bedroom plus study, where you'll be having an inner facing. I mean, see, you have the powder room, you have a laundry room, you have a study room. I mean, these are all some great features what Ellington is providing this time. And then you have three bedroom type A. So all the three bedrooms are going to be the end corner units, and you have three bedroom type B as well in the corner. All right, so the payment plan is 70/30. You need to pay 20% during the booking, and then 10% after 60 days, and then you need to pay every 5%, 5 months after 4 months. So yes, for the balance 30%, you can easily get a loan here in Dubai. So yes, this is a beautiful project if you're looking to build a portfolio here in Dubai. No doubt about it because of the price per square feet, and it's from Ellington. That is the most important aspect about this project, the brand. The brand will gives a very good capital appreciation and very good rental returns. So this is one project you need to buy or you need to invest if you're building a portfolio here in Dubai. And this project, no doubt about it, this will also sell off within the first few days of the launch. So if you're interested and if you would like to know more about this project, please DM me and I will take you through more details about this project, and I'll help you to connect with the developer who will help you to secure a great unit in this beautiful project. So thank you for watching my video.